Hello, valued clients of Prosperity Capital Advisors. I have some exciting news that could significantly impact your financial future. On Friday, President Trump signed the One Big Beautiful Bill into law, the most comprehensive tax reform legislation we've seen in years. This isn't just another tax bill. It's a game changer that creates immediate opportunities to reduce your tax burden and enhance your wealth building strategies. Many of these changes take effect immediately, which means the decisions you make in the coming months could save you thousands of dollars this year alone. I want to share the key changes that likely affect you and explain why meeting with your advisor in the coming months isn't just a recommendation, it's essential. Let me start with the change that could put money back into your pocket right away. If you're 65 or older, you now qualify for a new $6,000 tax deduction per person. For married couples where both spouses are 65 plus, that's $12,000 in additional deductions. If you live in a higher tax state, the SALT deduction, state and local income tax deduction cap, increases from $10,000 to $40,000 for the next 5 years, but only if your household income is under $500,000. This change alone could save qualifying families $7,000 or more annually. If you're building wealth for future generations, the estate tax exemption increases to $15 million per person and is now permanent. This means a married couple can pass $30 million to heirs tax-free, providing certainty for your legacy planning. For your investment strategy, the Section 199A deduction, qualified business income, is now permanent, meaning if you own a pass-through entity business or partnership, you can count on that 20% deduction for years to come. This stability changes how we structure your business interests. And there's some very specific phase out rules and limitations that we need to plan for. Qualified opportunity zone investments are extended and enhanced, though the window for optimal benefits has specific timing requirements your advisor needs to review with you. Again, if you're a business owner, Section 1202 qualified small business stock gets additional enhancements, potentially allowing you to exclude up to $15 million of capital gains from your taxation when you sell qualifying investments. Again, for business owners, 100% bonus depreciation is now permanent. This means immediate full deductions for equipment purchases, which dramatically improves cash flow and reduces current year taxes. Research and development costs can be immediately deducted again rather than spread over 5 years. So if your business invests in innovation, this creates substantial tax savings. For your family's financial security, the child tax credit increases to $2,200 and is permanent, providing more predictable benefits for your family planning. If you work in industries where you receive tips or overtime, new deductions allow you to exclude up to $25,000 in tips and $12,500 in overtime from federal tax. Health savings account eligibility expands, creating more opportunities for tax-advantaged health savings. Here's what makes this urgent. Some of these benefits phase out at specific income levels. Others have optimal timing windows that close quickly. The new charitable giving rules, enhanced adoption credits, and energy tax credit phase outs all have specific requirements that need immediate attention if you're going to take advantage of these in 2025. Here's the bottom line. According to the government analysis, This legislation provides over $600 billion in new tax relief, with the largest proportional benefits going to middle class families. But benefits don't happen automatically, they require proactive planning. Your Prosperity Capital Advisors team has been working around the clock to understand every provision and develop personalized strategies for your situation. We're not just managing your investments, we're optimizing your entire tax and wealth building strategy. Contact your advisor to schedule a tax strategy review meeting. Don't wait until year end when options are limited. The most valuable opportunities require immediate planning, and some have deadlines that approach quickly. Your financial future depends not just on what you earn, but on what you keep. These new tax laws create unprecedented opportunities to keep more of your wealth working for you and your family. Call your advisor today. Your future self will thank you.
At the time of delivery and any subsequent publishing, information was deemed reliable but is subject to change by the time of listening or viewing. The contents of this piece include options and projections of C2P, are subject to change, and are for informational purposes only. The information provided in this presentation is not intended to be individual investment, tax, or legal advice.